If a man doesn't have a hobby, he doesn't make a man. I have been collecting trains almost 50 years, half a century I would say. This is a kind of illness. It's a kind of addiction. Hello, my name is Mehmet Eटkan. I am 62 years old. Welcome to my paradise. I love traveling by trains. I love being in a train. Whenever I was sad or whenever I was depressed, I found happiness and exit with trains. Yaklaşık 2 yıl kadar önce kaldırımda yürürken kaldırımın sağ tarafına park etmiş tır bütün yüküyle üstüme boşaldı. Önce kurtulmaya çalıştım ama sağ ayak bileğim 40 tonun altında kaldı. 6 ameliyat geçirdim. Ayağın kesilmesi kurtuldu ama benim içimdeki ışık o trenlerime ulaşacağım. O tren evine gideceğim. O trenlerimle oynayacağım. Bana en büyük ilaç o zaman oldu. Ve buraya koltuk değneklerinde çıktığım gün dünyanın en mutlu insanıydım. After my accident, I was in a terrible and hopeless situation. And these trains, every single locomotive, every single wagon helped me to stand up, to hold the life back in the best way I can. So I owe this hobby a lot. The whole journey started when I was 3 with this. My first locomotive. At that time, I was not able to pronounce the word locomotive. So, as an onomatopoeic way, I named it phone. Actually, it's a money box. I mean, it's a kumbara. And it's still my favorite toy. Hobby is a long, difficult journey and it takes a long time. And just for this reason, I have visited Germany and some other European countries 55 times. It's full of life, and every single item, every single object has a special memory for me. These trains are Macklin. It was something early in 2000s. Macklin factory was burglarized. So I was in Germany in that time, and at the airport I was in custody. I was in a way arrested for 2 hours just because of my little trains, because German police thought that they were the trains of the museum. I have a layout, a full functional layout, cranes, transfer table, Drehschreiber, turntable, in other words, signals. This layout is called Macklin Istanbul. It's about 16 square meters. In my collection, there are 468 working locomotives and about 3,000 passenger and freight cars. Hotels, police stations, hospitals, factories, farms. Whatever you imagine in life, you can find an example, a sample of it on the layout. On top of it, everything is analog, but beneath the table, under the table, everything is digitalized. And you can control the things by means of a mouse on a computer screen. All kids can come and run trains. They can even get filmed and they get a certificate after running trains. It's a pleasure for me to share this hobby. I have had many visitors from all over the world, even from Tasmania, Australia, Canada, Ottawa, many countries from Europe, Johannesburg from South Africa. I did get lots of help to build this layout. Many friends helped me a lot. Of course, behind all this, I have a wonderful wife, and she's so understanding. She has always understood me and let me what I wanted. So I owe her a lot. This is a place kind of heaven for me, and I do my best to make this place heaven for every visitor.